Definitely needs some coaching. I don't think it means any harm.
I don't think so
I think
either.
it's in a place that's like that sweet spot where you can actually pick someone and help them out. I think that mark on his face needs to be removed.
It needs to be removed.
but,
Please.
but I think also she can be a little bit more intentional about it. But it's hard when you've gone through some humiliations.
So much pain.
With regards to that particular relationship, I can acknowledge that's probably hard for her. Sure. But at least she came on the show, so
yeah, she was open enough.
All right, welcome back. So, Nick Young. You know who Nick Young is? Let me see if I can share my screen and then
Yes, please.
we can look at it, right?
Share your screen.
Couples Retreat. So there's this show that we've been watching. We've been catching here and there on VH1. It's called Couples Retreat. Not therapy. There are two shows on there called Couples Some. Couples VH1's Couple Retreat. Let me share that with you so that you can at least connect with what we're talking about here. And there's this guy on it, Nick Young. You know Nick Young, right? You remember Nick Young?
Yep. The guy with the meme face.
Yeah, with the meme face.
I can't.
Let me show his meme face. So you probably have recognized his face. There you go. This face right here. This one right here. This one. There you go. This one. There you go. That's Nick Young. So he's one of the cast members on the couples therapy. This is couple therapy here. It's the second season.
Right.
So
it's a good show.
It's a good show. Yeah, they're on the second season. And we started watching. What was the last one? May 30. Rita begins to wonder if she's happy. Okay. So let's talk about some of this couple, right? Okay, the first question I have for you, babe, is Nick Young an unsupportive husband to his wife? From what you've seen thus far, is he? So a quick backstory.
Yeah.
Right, quick backstory. Do you remember? You remember that?
I remember. Look.
It was professional basketballer.
Yes.
He doesn't play anymore.
Right.
Your wife wants to go to school.
They have kids.
They have kids.
They're not even married yet. She's still his fiance, to be honest with you.
Okay. That's true.
They're not even married yet.
That's true.
But they live together. You know how it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. They live together.
Right. So, yeah, this is the couple right here. Yeah, good. So they are not married, but they got kids, and he wants to go to school. She's looking for support.
Okay, so she's looking for support from her husband.
Mm-hmm.
Put in mind that this guy is a professional, like he's an ex-professional. Is he NBA?
NBA, right?
NBA star. So he's always the provider, made money,
Yep.
She probably lived the life and all that stuff.
He was
and
also
now,
dating,
he cheated.
Was he cheating? He was cheating.
He was
with Izzy
Azealia.
Is it what's her name? The rapper, white girl from Australia.
I think it's Azealia Banks.
Not Azealia Banks.
No, Azealia Banks.
Something like that.
One?
Yeah.
Iggy, whatever.
Iggy, Ziggy.
The girl from
something
Australia.
Like that. Yeah.
That one. He cheated with her.
Right.
Anyway, backstory is cheated.
Right.
He's been the provider. He's the one that, is the go-getter and all that. But now, his career is over.
Okay.
So I guess he's doing other things.
Right.
He's retired. Is he retired or he got wounded or something like that?
It's just not working.
It's not
he's
working.
home now,
So
he's complaining about raising their kids and having to cater to the kids and stuff.
She wants to go to school.
Right.
But he doesn't want to assume the role of like taking the kids to school, maybe to the school bus, and
Right.
making sure they're good, and making sure they have food to eat. He doesn't see what he wants is somebody else can do that.
Right.
I think he's okay with her going to
He
school.
wants to hire somebody else to do all that. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And she's offended by that. Like, I have supported you all this while,
Right.
and I ask you for one thing, and you can't even do it.
Yep.
And oftentimes, men will say, at least it's being done. The job is done.
Right.
I don't need to physically do it. I'm going to get you someone to do it.
So is he being supportive by suggesting that they should hire people, or you think he should do more?
I think he should do better.
Like what?
If your wife says that she wants you to be the one personally responsible for that, this is what I will ask.
Right.
Why don't you want us to hire someone? Because it could be coming from, trauma.
Right.
Me, for example, I consider myself like a
So that's
paranoid
true. I
mom.
never heard him talk about why she doesn't want to hire someone.
Yes, it's because look, for me personally, I'm a paranoid mom because I've seen things happen to children. Things happened around me.
Right.
So I'm not so open to leaving my kids in the hands of strangers.
Right.
I don't care for nannies. I have trust issues when it comes to other people outside my family.
Right.
So it could be something similar to that. You don't know.
Right.
You just want to shut it down with, no, I'm going to hire someone. Blah, blah. And I've noticed that he also minimizes our feelings.
Right, because the guy has a permanent smile on his face.
It's annoying. I got to say.
Wait,
I like
I
someone
kind of do
that smile
too.
on that. No, baby. Your face when it's serious.
You don't think I have a
No,
permanent smile on my
you don't,
face?
baby, you don't. Sometimes I have
But
to
he
remind
does.
I have to remind you to
smile. Okay,
because
that's true, that's true.
You have a tough,
That's true, that's true.
you're tough
Yeah.
dude and all
That's
that.
true.
You're
Yeah.
just naturally like that.
Right.
But this guy consistently has a smirk on his face. I want to smack that smirk off his
And I
face.
think the wife is annoyed by that.
I'm
So
happy.
everything turns out to be a joke for him because Michael Blackson is on this same show as a
Oh
host.
my God.
And everything is a
Michael
joke to
Blackson
him.
is yeah. I
Right?
can't.
But I can understand why, because again, the girlfriend subscribed to all that from before. But this the wife is always serious, but there's a permanent smile on
You don't
his
know when
face.
he's serious and when he's not. I'm like,
So-
are you kidding?
So that's why I'm asking, like, okay, is it a supportive? In my opinion, I don't think he's an unsupportive husband. I think he doesn't know what he doesn't know.
I don't think he's an unsupportive husband,
Yeah.
but I think he could do.
I think he's
more.
trying to do more, but he doesn't know what to
He
do.
shuts down.
Yeah, because he shuts
Even
down
with
too.
that smirk.
Once you try to remove the smile on his face by being too serious,
Yeah,
he
shuts
goes
down.
into some kind of corner.
Yeah, he
said,
goes and,
"Oh,
I just want to sleep anyway.
nah."
Like, what?
Like, dude, I can't hear what you said. Can you speak up?
So I can imagine how she feels like she's dealing with another child.
Right. That's
Like, are
precisely
you a
what it is.
boy or are you my husband?
Yep.
Yeah, so it's a tough one. He needs to step it up, bro.
Yeah. So I see them. I see her as she's very numb in the face. She looks like
She is.
she's carrying a lot of pain.
Yes, she is.
You know, she
And
looks
she
like
talked about it. She said there were times that people don't know what you're going through because you're married to a celebrity.
Right.
And like, for example, when it was cheating with Iggy,
right.
people were cussing her out. Like, she's
Like she
ugly,
was the
that's
side
why.
chick.
She's the side chick. She's this. They were talking.
Yeah,
they
like,
were
you
even
leave
addressing
Iggy to
the
deal
guy
with
that
this?
cheated.
Right.
They are busy.
And let me guess,
destroying
those
this
are mostly women.
Women.
Ah.
Women all the
Wow.
time. Women will fight for men. They will fight for men. Men fight for men.
Right.
Women fight for men.
All right, you're
Women are
exaggerating.
always-
Stop.
No, I am not, babe. I am not. When women are going through stuff, you will see some women come like, maybe you're the reason this is happening. Maybe you didn't do this. Like, excuse me? Can you at least empathize with this person first before you start passing all kind of,
Right.
judgments that you call advice?
So you're holding women accountable now.
Look, we gotta do better. We gotta be better human beings.
All right, let's move
If you've
on.
been through something, you should not want somebody else to be through to go through it. But
Right.
what I've noticed is, especially with the older women,
Right.
because they've suffered, they want you to suffer more. I don't get it. I was like, do you know what I went
You sound
through?
like a modern woman, but
Oh well, whatever. I just feel like, you know, we should empathize
our
with each
mother.
other.
Some people say our mothers are the best wife that ever been and will never be. And ever.
Go and ask our fathers.
Yeah,
They're the ones that can tell us. Okay? So please.
Yeah. All right, let me.
Stop the cap.
Let's. Yeah, I think he's a supportive. I think he definitely needs some coaching. I don't think he means any harm.
I don't think so
I think
either.
he's in a place that's like that sweet spot where you can actually pick someone and help them out. I think that smirk on his face needs to be removed.
It needs to be removed.
Please. But I think also she can be a little bit more intentional about it. But it's hard when you've gone through some humiliations. With regards to that particular relationship, I can acknowledge that's probably hard for her. But at least she came on the show, so
yeah, she was open enough.